The best part about practicing your knife skills is that you get to eat the results. I mean, let's just say for a moment that you combined 1.5 pounds of vine-ripe tomatoes, concassade, with 1 cup of peeled, seeded, and chopped cucumber, 1/2 cup each chopped red onion and diced red bell pepper, 1 jalapeno seeded and minced, 1 clove of garlic minced, and 1 cup of tomato juice, most of which you should have been able to get out of your concassade. Now, if you were to stir this up and serve it, people would say, gracious, but that's a fine salsa you have there. But what if you went further? What if you added 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, 2 teaspoons each of balsamic vinegar and Worcestershire sauce, a teaspoon of kosher salt, very nice, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, roasted and ground fine, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Let's say that you stirred that up nicely, and say you moved about 1.5 cups of that over to your friendly neighborhood blender for liquefying. Why, thank you, thing. Let's say you added that back into the bowl, gave it a good stir, maybe refrigerated it for a few hours, topped it with a nice Basil Chiffonade, which we just happen to have, and served it alongside a nice crunchy piece of bruschetta. Well, gosh darn it, you know, you would have the Andalusian classic Gazpacho, which oddly enough was originally defined as being simply a soup of bread and oil and some garlic, because back then, of course, there were no tomatoes in Spain, but there are now, and I'm glad.